So hi everyone, in this video we will see that how to install Docker on Oracle Linux 8.4. Okay, so you can see on the screen that this is the host information, right? So using host name CTL and unnamed A, we can see that what Unix distro we are currently is. So the first command is sudo yum install -y. So first of all we need to install the yum utils. Okay, so this utility will helpful for installing the further configuration of the Docker container on the Oracle Linux. Okay, so we may already knew that Oracle Linux is based on the Red Hat Linux. Okay, so it will be helpful for getting the same on this system. Okay, so it will first check for the last metadata expiration check. Okay, so you can see this is the package. Okay, yum utils, you can see in the greener highlighted script. Okay, so it has been completed, right? So this is the first step. Now second, we will see from the website. So this is the official website of the Docker. Okay, so you can see this command has been executed. So we have downloaded the yum repository for the Docker, and now we will start Docker installation of the Docker C CLI, container input output, and Docker. All these packages will be installed one by one. Okay, so you can see the package name is in the greener font color. Okay, one by one the 12 packages will be installed. Okay, so yeah, just click on Y. You can see here the fingerprint, that means the key also there, right, for the Docker release C RPM. So this way guys, it will done it will perform its installation on the Oracle Linux. Okay, so one by one the package will be installed on the system. So you can see here, right? So this is the first type of method. Okay, so we are currently using the repo method. Okay, repository, we are installing the Docker from the repository itself. You can try the two methods also, but this is the most recommended one, so that's why we are going with this, right? So this way guys, one by one each will install it, right? And after installation we can run the Docker container. So this one is the final, right? So now the verification. Okay, so all is done, right? You can see it's completed, right? So now using this command we can start the Docker. Okay, so I'm using sudo because currently we are Oracle user. Okay, we are not root user, so that's why. So now you can see sudo docker run hello world. Okay, so this will be this will look, currently we don't have any hello world installed. Okay, on the Docker container, so it will first pull the image of the hello world program from the Docker repository, and then it will run it. Okay, you can see, right? So this is the Docker is running, right? Docker run. So you can run any program or container using the run. Okay, and you can see the what are the options and parameters available to you as in Docker when you try to run the Docker command. So execute is one of the method. Okay, host name. So first of all what we will do, so here guys, first of all we will try to pull and pull the nginx image. Okay, and let's see there, right? So you can see the worker process of the nginx server has been started. So this way you can pull and automatically start any type of application. Okay, from the Docker repository. Okay, and you can see it interactively, it is running on the screen, right? So this is the way, right? So the next step, we will try to pull the Docker image of the Ubuntu operating system, and then we will see that we will try to run some commands. So guys, this is all for this video, so we can do it. So this way we can install the Docker and Docker engine on the Oracle Linux, and we can use it. Okay, so in this way, so first of all, try to update the entire Oracle Linux system before installing the Docker. Okay, so this way it will prevent any type of package or dependency issue. Okay, so guys, I hope that you would like this video, and thanks for watching it. Okay, so you can see these are the previous application which are currently being existed. Okay, so first we will try to pull the Ubuntu image from the Docker repository. Okay, and then we will see it, right? So you can see it is currently downloading. So after it has been downloaded, it will run the Ubuntu. Okay,